What have I done to deserve this humiliation? What have I done? I mean no harm.
You like what you see? Such a pity, darling. 'Cause royalty ain't for pigs, nor for lowlives like yourself. I hear the villagers akin me to your misfortune. Oh. Well, I am not here to tell you how foolish and mistaken you all are. I'm actually here to sympathize with you. Oh, so sad. Really sad. Tell me, darling, how may I help you? 'Cause you so badly need the help. You do, darling, you do. Hmm. Well, I saw you the other day through my window at the palace, crying your eyes out profusely. Oh, that broke my heart. It did, trust me. But let that be your last. 'Cause you're too insignificant to constitute a thought in my head. And that's why I haven't really taken into consideration what to do to a non-existent person like you. Oh. Such tears of penitence. Oh, poor you. Well, I can see your arrogance and sense of destitution has beclouded your sense of judgment and blindfolded you from the help you should seek. But you know what? That's okay. Everyone is entitled. I'll just leave you now to wallow and die in your state of nothingness. Nonsense, idiot.
What have I done to deserve this humiliation? What have I done? I mean no harm. And now I cry, my heart is broken.
How dare you barge in on us like that? Get out of this place! Besides, what are you even doing here?
Your Majesty, you asked me to come back in 20 minutes time.
Get out! Get out of this place! Oh my God. Car keys. Give them to me. Hurry up! Leave this place. Get out! You see this driving thing you have with Charles? It's over because you're no longer driving me. You can wait whenever Charles comes, you start driving. Is that clear? Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
What are you doing? Are you being serious right now? You just wanting us. And you really too much this duty. Don't you think this man gets to him and he'll spill?
I don't care what he does. When Charles comes, Charles was the one that put into this in the first place. So when he comes, he can as well, I don't know, start driving Charles or something. I don't care at this point.
Pamela, do you ever take caution?
If he tries anything, he will die.
Not it.
Yes, bro. As I told you, I went there. I even offered to help her, but she declined. No, I am not complaining. I think you should come back and go there and fix things yourself. Some days ago, no. I am not lying to you. I think she just wanted to see you. She has missed you. Yes. All right. All right. Ebube, why are you back on foot? Where is my brother's wife? Where is Pamela?
My prince, she...
Tell me Pamela is fine.
She's fine.
So what happened? Talk to me, Ebube. What happened?
My prince, she relieved me of duty today.
What happened? Did you have argument with her?
Not at all.
Did she disgrace you?
No, my prince.
So what happened?
My prince, I was running fever, so she asked me to go home and rest.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, my prince.
All right.
Thank you, my prince.
I still wonder why they're covering up for that slot after what she did.
Just calm down. I'm a wise man, you should know that.
You should have dropped it while it was hot. That wisdom is foolishness. You better go ahead and tell Prince Zubi.
Chineye, no, I won't do it. No, now, if I tell Prince Zubi about it, he's going to tell Prince Charles, his brother. And that will get him distracted. He will lose focus. I know him. Probably he might come back earlier than he planned. I don't want to be the reason why he will leave his job. Doesn't that make sense to
you? There's a little sense in it too. But you will not swallow this just like others. Yes, you will not. You must tell Prince Zubi.
Anyway, let's see how it goes, okay? But the only reason I will not tell the husband or anyone else about this is if that lady, if she starts behaving well. If not.
What's the meaning of that? See, let me tell you, Ebube. If you do not go and tell Prince Zubi, I'll go and do it for you.
You're not serious, are you?
I will tell you.
Don't tell me you're serious. I beg, let's eat before they start calling me.
I'm so serious. So.
Let's eat before the king will start calling me.
Hey, Diamond.
What?
Get into the car and be quiet about it.
Shoo? Who don't be getting into the car and be quiet about it? Who you be? Shoo? Who don't be getting into the car and so they enter car?
I hate to repeat myself twice. Get into the car.
Okay, repeat 3 times.
Get into the car! Get into the car.
You carry wisdom.
Get into the car.
Calm down now.
Get into the car.
I'm not call my girlfriend.
I said get into the car now.
People think they carry wisdom now, Oga. True. Now where will they go? Hey!
Gloria, look at you. You've changed so much. What have you been eating in school?
My dear, I have been starving, oh. Forget this look and this body. You know now, school environment is not easy. I am just managing. My dear, I heard what happened to Mama. My mother told me this afternoon. Hey, this is so painful.
Mama had to go. And honestly, it's not been easy since she left.
Hey, then the Buka. What is going on? I think someone you do not know is trying to get at you.
Actually, it's not someone I don't know. It's someone I know. Well, it's a long story, one I'm not ready to tell. Actually, enough of me and my satire. How are you? How is school? How is everything?
School is fine. Yellow. I still can't believe why you came back to this village. You just had 2 years. 2 years to graduate.
And for those 2 years, I wasn't able to pay my fees. Gloria, it was embarrassing. You know, sometimes you just have to come home and wait until you're ready to try again.
Oh. My dear, I know it's not easy. Now Mama is gone. Your only reason for coming back to this village.
What do you mean?
What I mean is, it's high time you left this village for good. Yellow, I know the grass is not always greener on the other side, but sometimes it is. You just have to leave this village.
I don't know. What are you doing here? Why did you come back?
My dear, because of 8 months strike.
The public system in this country is horrible.
My dear, it's very bad. They are still here.
This is very sad, honestly. Gloria, what do I offer you? I have mango.
Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. I came to see you.
Oh, it's so mad that you're here and
don't worry. It's okay. I am fine. I have missed you.
Just look at you. Thank God for the nation strike. If not, people like you will not even remember to come to the village again.
Don't even say that, my dear. I can't forget my village. It's just that it's tiring coming back home. Like, what am I coming here to do? To farm? Hell no.
Well, people like me, I don't believe in that school of thought. This is where we are and this is where we stay. Right here in the village.
I can say that. You are now a certified primary school teacher.
Wait. Who told you? You've been to Yelom's place.
Yes, I was with her a while ago. Like I hadn't seen her since I came back last night.
Wow. Yeah, talking about Yelom, there's this rumor flying about since she got entwined with Prince Charles. You know, that things are no longer going well with her. About her mother, you know, her mother's buka got burnt. So many crazy things. And I also heard that the cause of all this is Princess Pamela.
Wait, let me understand this. First of all, who is Princess Pamela?
Ha! You don't know Princess Pamela. Princess Pamela is the wife of Prince Charles, the very esteemed daughter of King Ojadike.
Are you serious?
Yes.
King Ojadike. King Ojadike. I think I've heard that name before. The politician king. He is very powerful and influential in government.
Exactly.
That's bigger than demonic daughter of his. Is whom Yelom is up against?
My sister, I'm telling you.
Hey, was she not informed? Pamela is a very wicked soul.
Very wicked.
There are not too many things she cannot do. Now I am beginning to understand the gossip about her mother. Oh my God.
The best thing for Yellow to do is to go very far away from this place.
As if I knew. I told her.
Where are you going to? It's nice to see you again.
I am just coming back from Yellow's place. I am going home.
Okay, I am going to the market. Let me just rush up. Oh?
We'll see later in the day now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'll miss you.
We'll see later, yeah? Bye.
Hey, you, come here. Come here and hurry up. I hear that's not important. I was told my husband would arrive today. Is he back?
I don't think the prince is coming back today.
The last thing I would ever do in my life is ask you what you're thinking. Why on earth would I ever want to share from the lameness of your thoughts? Which is retarded at that.
Well, he's not back yet.
You can keep whatever you're thinking to yourself. Take this. Take it. Take it to my room. And I mean now. Hey! As for what you saw the other day at the office, you saw nothing.
And I have a condition for keeping it to myself.
Just take that to my room. Roaches everywhere.
Boss.
Yes, Magnus.
What if this guy is messing around with us? Honestly, I don't subscribe to this VIP treatment and approach you are applying on him.
Magnus. This is how it works. Sometimes people say to catch a monkey, you act like a monkey. But I totally disagree with them. The best way to catch a monkey is giving the monkey what it most cherishes.
Oh, by that you mean we are giving him banana treatment?
Funnily enough, banana isn't what the monkey cherishes.
What, if I may ask?
You go find out. I'll tell you a few things about teenagers. They love room. Plenty of it to be free with. They hate being checked. They detest being garrisoned. Diamond, I told him I could have arrested him and then detained him. But then, even after playing the clip of him and his friends at the cafeteria, we still let him have the space of deciding his fate.
You are a detective.
Sure. I told you, he will come.
agree to our Kelebes.
So what have you come with?
Well, as a man, I can't tell on the cocoa. I can't tell on just waiting the ground. Nothing but make I tell on the truth.
The truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes, nothing but the truth.
Who contracted you to do it?
Princess Pamela.
What?
Yes. Now she sent us.
Dear you remember the last time I was here? I told you it would be a great idea if you leave this village and go somewhere else.
Yes, I think so too. I remember saying something like that. My dear, this village has taken so much from you for you to continue to be here.
I totally agree with both of you. I do.
So, what is keeping you? Yellow, I think you should do something about this.
You know, one does not just wake up and move to another place. I have no structure to sustain me there. No family, no money, no...
You are just making unnecessary excuses. All these excuses has nothing to do with the subject we are talking about.
It's not that...
It is! What are you saying?
Fine, you win. I'll think about it very well. And also try to raise some money.
Don't worry. I will assist you the little way I can.
Me too. I will always support you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
What are friends for?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling. You're welcome. Stop thinking.
Thank you.
So, you insist on having me before you keep what you saw the other day at the office a secret?
Well, sometimes we all deserve a pound of flesh. You know that? Your
That's
Highness.
fine. What? I was only trying to get ready for you.
I know.
Good.
But I think we should take it easy.
You and I know that you didn't come here for slow, so let's just get this over with. You didn't come here for easy, did you?
Step by step.
I know.
Jesus!
Oh my world. Got him. Why did he fly like a mouse? What you said now? It's me.
What do you mean? Stupid girl. Come on, come down there.
Man.
No matter what the will of God must be done. No matter what, if you cook, man will propose, God will dispose. So who can change the minds of the gods? For the gods are wise. The gods are wise.
Greetings, my prince.
Welcome, my friend.
Must be done. No matter what, if you cook on the man will propose. God dispose. So who can change the minds of the gods? For the gods are wise. The gods are wise. The gods are wise. Hey, they are wise. The gods are wise. The wisdom is far higher than the wisdom of man. If you do a share, you not say, because are wise. I be you not know. I be you not know. That the gods are wise. They oversee everything. Yeah.
You have no single regard for the king, to waltz in here with this riffraff, throwing accusations at me.
Detective.
Your Majesty.
I am totally disappointed in you. You mean you brought this riffraff that looks like an opportunist just to accuse my daughter-in-law of this nonsense? Huh?
I show me no disrespect, Your Majesty. I'm only here to ask Princess Pamela a few questions. Here with me, Your Majesty, is one of the youths that burnt down the buka that only served as the source of livelihood to an innocent orphan. And here he has confided in us that Princess Pamela here sent and paid him to do it.
That I think anyone who listens to what he said can sense the truth and the fact that...
What truth? And what dumb fact is your numbskull telling you? Your Majesty, the only reason I haven't called my father to talk to him about this miscreants is because of the esteemed regards I have for you. So please, would you ask these things to leave this palace this minute?
Detective.
Your Majesty.
Get out of my palace. I will only listen to you if you come here with a verifiable evidence. And not this gibberish you came here with. Now, if you don't have such, I don't want to see you in my palace again. Now, get out.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but like I rightly stated, here with me is... All right, Your Majesty.
You're hungry.
Shut up. No matter what, the will of God must be done. No matter what, if you cook on the man will propose. God will dispose. So who can change the minds of